Hi, it's Ranald here from Woody's Scrapbox, Raising Home Vibrations. This is a little point of contention with me because we have some products that are really quite expensive and ones that are nowhere near, but they're very trendy looking, these ones. Unfortunately, with the blue on the pink, I also see blue on red and that, and it just, even when I had 20/20 vision before I was on thyroid tablets, these ones were difficult to read, and I didn't even need glasses back then. So now to read fine print I need glasses, and if I'm looking at anything like this, there's my little emperor dog telling something off outside, sorry about that. Yeah, but this one's twice the price of these, but you can read it, you know, without glasses. These trendy looking ones, you can't. So that's my take on it. They're probably not selling enough of those cheap ones, and they've done all the trendy stuff on them to make them present well to young people and trendy people, but to a lot of folk, they're pretty well useless in the store. I found all three of those do an excellent job. So this one locally is the cheapest, then that one, and then that one. But if you can't read it, even when I get home with this one, I can't read it with glasses because it's just got to go out and under a bright LED light or in full sunlight, and because full sunlight will cause glare, so you can't even do it out there. Anyway, thank you for watching my channel, and hopefully you'll stay safe. See you next time.